What's up, guys? Welcome to Mommy Roots channel. Today, welcome to a day in the life raw vlog. So I'm just here with baby River. It's just me and Mama today, and we are going through our day. So I just want to show you guys what we go through throughout the day. Maliligo na kami. So, tapos na maligo si baby River. River, you're done taking a bath na. And our whole house is so magulo, so I just have to clean everything. Mia, who are you talking to, Mama? Who are you talking to? I need to do the dishes, clean the CR, clean all this kalat over here. And while doing that, I'm watching Baninay on YouTube. Ano? Ano, baby? Ready ka na ba para maglinis? Are you ready? Let's go! So now we have to clean the messy bedroom. Ngayon, ang kalat-kalat ng ating bedroom. Ngayon, ating siyang ayusin. Ano, baby boy? At si baby boy River is enjoy na enjoy lang sa pagsakay. Sakay ka lang, anak. Sakay ka lang sa ating ride today.
It is so hard.
Danny, come back. Yay! Kulit-kulit. Yan ang reality. Yan ang reality versus expectations of a homework. Work at home mom. Since hindi pa siya natutulog, di pa ako makakagawa ng maraming work. So, I'll just make him tulog muna. Papatulogin ko muna siya. And then, later on, I'll be able to do a lot more work than what I just did kanina. Okay. So, I'll update you later. Bye! He is butt naked and hirap na hirap akong lagyan siya ng diaper. So, let's try to put on some diaper on this baby! Okay. Let's do this! Diaper on you, baby boy. Mama's gonna put a diaper on you. A diaper on you, baby boy. baby. Nalingat lang si mama with your buttons. You're eating na the lotion. So, hopefully, I think wala naman siyang nakain or nalunok talaga. Hindi tinanggal ko kaagad. Okay, so, right now, I'm gonna give River this pacifier na may ice sa loob. So, may ice siya sa loob. Na nagtititing ay masut. Sarap ba? Sarap? You like it? Ayun, kinakagat-kagat niya yung ice sa loob. Gustong-gusto niya yan eh. Medyo fussy siya ngayon kasi nga, lalabas na yung ngipin niya sa baba. Sa baba. First tooth niya is almost out. So, ayun. Bite on it, anak. Binitawan naman niya.